Hi everybody, it's Ron with Oglethorpe County Crystals, and we're here at Lake Wylie Dam and the Catawba River access. So we're going to take our kayaks and inner tubes down the river today, and I'm going to take you along with the journey. I hope you enjoy it. So here's the river access at the dam at Lake Wylie. There's Lake Wylie at the top of this dam. And this is the Catawba River, which should flow all the way down to the Riverwalk. So we're gonna head down the Riverwalk, and that's where we're gonna end. Should take us about 3 hours.
Okay, we just had an interesting incident where we came upon two people who were struggling and yelling for help, screaming because their two-person tube was sinking and all their stuff was floating away, and I think they were under the influence of things. But Ron is back there pulling one of them, and she has a life vest that Ron provided because Ron is awesome and Ron had life vests. The other dude, her boyfriend, I'm assuming, is on the front of one of the other kayaks that rescued us. He too has a life jacket on of ours. I have their lunchbox in here. And the other kayaks have most of their other belongings. We think we got their keys, their phones we got, but they're soaked. But lots of nice people here on the river. And then this is happening, which I totally missed. He's coming out on the swing and jumping in. You can see this. We're going, I think he's gonna go soon. All right, it's a woman. She's gonna go. She's gonna go. I hope she goes, I hope she goes, I hope she goes. There she goes. Ah. Okay, we're towards the end of our trip. Yep, that's our stopping point right there. We've had an awesome day. I don't even know where Ron and Nico are. I think they're way back there somewhere. But I'm having a great day. Coming up towards a little rapids. Woo-hoo, wee. What an awesome day. So happy. Totally enjoying myself. Well, I thought somebody was bumping into me, but it's just my beer cooler. There's Ron and Nico. Way out there. Hurry up, people. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Well, I'm back at Boulders. We had a wonderful time on the Catawba River. If anyone's interested in joining us on any of our river runs, please reach out. Please subscribe, like our channel, and send us a message if you're interested in hitting the river with us. But for now, this is Ron at Oglethorpe County Crystals. We'll see you soon. Bye.